Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what we're eating for 1 week's worth of meals. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright friends, so this video was inspired from my 5-minute meal planning video that if you have not seen it, I will link it right up here. And be sure to check it out because it's a super simple meal planning system and process that I use to meal plan for our family. Meal planning is super important to me so that we can save money by cooking at home. And so having a system that makes it easy to meal plan is really important. So I love our system and I definitely highly recommend it. So I'm gonna be showing you guys what we eat for a week at home along with our meal plan and how it all kind of works together. So let's go ahead and get started. All right guys, you know how crazy I am about my meal planning. So this is our meal plan for this coming week. Tonight we are having pork loin, Brussels sprouts and potatoes. Tomorrow, which will be Monday, we'll have salmon, cauliflower mash, and broccoli. Tuesday, we'll have tacos. Wednesday, we're gonna have pasta and meatballs with broccoli and garlic bread. Thursday will be leftovers, we should have plenty. And then Friday will be pizza. Saturday is gonna be burgers and fries. So the pork loin and the Brussels sprouts, I actually got most of our proteins for this week from Trader Joe's. So this is the pork loin that I'm gonna make. This is something that my mom has made and she brought it to us when I was on maternity leave. So it's super good and so easy to just pop in the oven and make. It's a peppercorn, garlic, boneless pork tenderloin. So I'm gonna make that along with our Brussels sprouts. I kind of went the easy way out and just got the ones that are already chopped because then I can just throw them on the plate or on the baking sheet. Honestly, when you cut up Brussels sprouts yourself, you end up losing so much of the Brussels sprouts. You start with like a big old bushel and it goes down to like half because you have to cut them and then take off the outer leaves and all that good stuff. So sometimes I like to just do this, especially if I'm concerned about needing to occupy Elias. And I wasn't sure what time my husband would be home. So this is a really good way to make sure that we're getting our veggies and able to make this meal, but in a really quick fashion. So that's going to be our dinner for tonight. And then you guys saw the rest of our meal plan. So we'll work through that. And hey guys, I completely forgot to share with you our dinner tonight and I just packed everything up. So this is our leftovers. We had pork tenderloin. It's like a garlic pepper crusted pork tenderloin from Trader Joe's. And then Brussels sprouts that I just added butter, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. What are you doing? And then roasted potatoes that just had salt and pepper and coconut oil. So that's what we have for dinner tonight. Elias had fish sticks. Excuse you. What are you doing? You want to tell them what you had for dinner? Blow your little horn. Blow your little horn. Hi guys. I got blueberries all over my face. That's what I had for dessert. He's taking a Slim Fast out of the fridge. So Elias had fish sticks and a couple of wafers that we had left over from when he was teething. He likes to just eat them now as like a little snack. And they're made with veggies, so hey, we can't be too mad about that. And then he had some blueberries after dinner. So he's getting ready to get down for bed, although it doesn't look like it because he is running around like a crazy baby. But anyway, that was our dinner for tonight, which is Sunday. Hey friends, so here's dinner tonight. It is salmon with a lemon garlic butter and cauliflower mash. The cauliflower mash has cheddar and bacon in it and roasted broccoli. So that is Monday night's dinner. Hey guys, it is Tuesday and here's our dinner for tonight. We're just having soft tacos, not hard shell tacos. Yeah, so just ground turkey, cheese, some broccoli slaw, salsa, and we're having some chips on the side, little Fritos. So that is dinner for tonight, and Elias is having a quesadilla. Look at all that cheese. And he has some ground turkey and corn on the side too. Look at that cheese. Cheese string on point. That's dinner. All right, so I just put Elias's dinner in the toaster oven. He's gonna have fish sticks and these cauliflower fries. They're cauliflower and potato, so he will eat these typically, and then the fish sticks he does like a lot. So he's gonna have this, and then we'll give him like a fruit pouch on the side. And then, like I said, my hubby and I are just gonna have leftovers tonight. I think we're both gonna have salmon and cauliflower mash and probably broccoli or Brussels sprouts. I don't know, either one.
Hey guys, we're learning how to use a fork. It's slow going, but we're trying.
Yeah. So friends, the hubby and I are having leftovers, so I'm having salmon, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower mash. Hubby's having the same thing, but he's having broccoli instead of Brussels sprouts. So, how is it?
It's good.
A little warm?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Hey friends, today is Thursday, and we are having pasta with meatballs. My meatballs are buried in there. And then we have veggies. This is broccoli and Brussels sprouts and garlic bread. That is dinner. Yay! Yay! Elias is not eating any of that. He's having chicken and Cheez-Its. Chicken nuggets and Cheez-Its. Because that's the baby life, y'all. Yep. Yes.
Yes.
Alright guys, I completely forgot to share with you guys what we ate on Friday night. We did have pizza, which is one of our staples for Friday. We generally have pizza or we'll go out on a date night. And then on Saturday we had a bunch of friends over. So I'm going to show you guys the food that we made for our friends for Saturday right now. Alright friends, so this is the barbecue chicken. I went ahead and shredded it, and it's just on warm right now so it stays warm. There's a ton in it. I think I did like 8 pounds of chicken, and all I do is I do chicken breasts. I do this barbecue sauce, or any Baby Ray's really, but I did a sweeter one because we're gonna have kids here. And what I do first is I do a layer of barbecue sauce. I season it with salt, pepper, onion powder, and a little bit of garlic powder. I go more heavy on the onion powder for chicken, for this barbecue chicken. So I do those. So I do barbecue sauce, the seasonings, a layer of chicken, barbecue sauce, seasonings, a layer of chicken. And then I think I did 3 layers for this one because we had so much. Usually I'll do 1 or 2 if it's just for us, like for the week, or we're just having some family over. But I did a lot for this because I'm not sure how much our friends will eat. So anyway, I just, did a lot to make sure we had enough. And like I said, I just use this barbecue sauce. And then once it's cooked through, you just shred it up. So I just kind of pulled chunks out and shredded it. It typically will shred as you are like pulling at it. So I just use tongs and then this like serving fork. And this is what we'll serve it with too, so everyone can like grab some with the tongs. It's easier. And that's it. I did cook it for 9 hours today because we were out, so it just cooked for quite a while. The other thing I'm doing right now is a salad. We're doing this organic 50-50 blend. It's baby lettuces and baby spinach. And then I did about half a head of lettuce, just like green leaf lettuce, that I washed and cut up. So it's kind of all mixed in here. And then I'm going to add, I'm going to shred up some carrot, I'm going to add some green onion, a little bit of bell pepper, and then I'm doing some cucumber. And what I wanted to say about the cucumber is a tip for if you are doing something that you want cucumber in, but you're not sure that you're actually going to eat it all like that day or that meal or what have you. Take the seeds out because they will not get mushy, at least as quickly. So I just take all the seeds out. It's pretty easy. I need to actually get a little bit more out of this one. But you can see how like moist the seeds are compared to just the actual cucumber. Like it's really, it's not going to be mushy. So anyway, I just did that and chopped them up. And then I have our baked beans going over here. I need to just turn them on so they can start warming through. I did a pan of brownies for dessert, so I need to cut these. I'll probably do that later though. And then in the fridge, I have a pasta salad and watermelon. This watermelon's ready to go. The pasta salad's ready to go also. I did it last night. And then we have sodas and lemonade for the kids if they want it. We do also have some hot dogs that we're gonna make for any kids that want hot dogs. And then I have chicken nuggets and french fries because our little guy won't eat anything else pretty much. So that's where I am for the party prep. All right, friends, that is it for today's video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions, and let me know what your favorite easy meal is to cook for your family in a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I will talk to you soon.